How to use Jobscan. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Jobscan. So let's get started. So you can learn how to use Jobscan to optimize your resume for job applications and get an honest review of its features on your laptop or computer. So first of all, you gotta head over and sign up to Jobscan. If you don't really have an account right now, you'll be able to see sign up and login buttons over here at the top right. So if you have an account already, you gotta head over, click on login. If not, you can simply click on sign up, and then you can sign up using simple steps using your Google account, your Apple ID, or LinkedIn account. So once you have created an account, you will be redirected to the Jobscan dashboard. So just wait for it to get loaded. So once you're here, you're going to scroll down and here you'll be able to see new scan section, or if you're not able to find it, you can simply click on new scan over here. And here is the new scan where you're going to upload your resume, or you're going to paste resume text. If you wish to upload a resume, you can simply drag drop or simply select it, and then you're going to give your job description over here. So I'm going to give this job description and then head over, click on scan. You can see that we have available scans that there's 5. If you wish to upgrade your plan, you can have unlimited scans. So let us just scan our resume. So it's going to parse the job description, identify matching skills, highlight missing skills, and also check your resume format as well as calculating the match. So once it has generated a match result, you'll be able to see something like this. So this is searchability, which is really important, and an ATS application tracking system is a software used by 90% of companies and recruiters to search for resumes and manage the hiring process. Now here we have searchability, 4 issues to fix. Hard skills, we have 2 issues to fix. Soft skills, we have 1 issue to fix. And recruiter tips, we have 3 issues to fix. And we have like 59% of the match rate. So let's give searchability a read. So here you can see that ATS tip is not good for us. The contact information is correct, summary is correct, section headings is correct, but job title match is not, date formatting is not, education match is not, file type is okay. Then we have hard skills, and here you can see for marketing, the resume has 9 and job description has 2. Contact creation, the resume has none, social media has none. And then we have soft skills, and now you can see medium score impact is here, and you can give it a look over here. And then you can see recruiter tips and formatting. So if you wish to try premium, you can simply click on try 2 months premium, and you can choose your plan. So one is free, that is $0 forever, and you'll get only 5 free resume scans on sign up and 5 free resume scans monthly. The quarterly one is really good. It is $89.95 and it has unlimited resume scans, and then we have monthly. And now there's also another very good feature if you wish to, scan your LinkedIn profile. So you can simply click on LinkedIn scan, and then you can head over and give your LinkedIn URL, and then they will scan the jobs. Like instead of uploading your resume, you're going to give your LinkedIn account, and then Jobscan will do the work for you. As much as Jobscan has its pros, it also has cons. So pros include it is super helpful for beating application tracking system, clear keyword suggestions, easy to use dashboard, great for job seekers applying to many roles. Cons are that its free version is limited in scans. Some keyword suggestion may be too literal. Premium is a bit pricey for occasional users. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. If you have used Jobscan, let us know in the comments below how you felt using it and what things you think should be improved. So I'll catch you in the next video.